What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoBrick.com, and we are coming at you with another high-end, awesome giveaway. So, if you've been following along for any length of time, you know that we try to do really high-end, high-ticket, premium giveaways. Like we've given away the sauna, the cold plunge, the kayak, the squat rack, all these high-end things. And I got to thinking, all right, it is getting into the latter part of the year. We're in the fall season, starting to get a little colder outside. It means hunting season's around the corner. What can we do for a giveaway? I've seen a lot of people repping these e-bikes lately. I see them all the time. People have these e-bikes that they have, or like some of these cities will offer e-bikes for, members of the community to use and check out with like an app. I'm not really sure how that works. But the e-bikes are pretty freaking legit. I've never had one myself, but one of the guys I hunt with every single year has a Quiet Cat brand e-bike. He let me jump on it. And I was super skeptical because I've driven motorcycles. I know what a motorcycle is like. I've driven bicycles. I'm like, okay, I know what a bike is like. What can an e-bike possibly do that one of those two can't? And the thing that they can do is they can carry you and gear silently anywhere you want to go, which from a hunting perspective is super awesome. I mean, he was sneaking up on deer and just zooming right up to him, not having to worry about spooking him because there's no exhaust, there's no loud motorized, gasoline burning engine, and they're super efficient. So they're pretty capable pieces of equipment. They can carry quite a bit of gear. So I'm super intrigued by the whole e-bike marketplace, both as a hunter, but also somebody that just likes zooming around places. So I got to thinking, let's make the e-bike a giveaway for the month of September. Started doing some research on different brands, decided on the Quiet Cat brand because I'm familiar with it. They're very reputable. They've been around for quite some time, and they've got this new Apex Sport bike. This bad boy has a 325-pound capacity. It's got 100 pounds worth of gear, like in the cargo section if you want to have that. It can go up to some crazy amount of distance, 40, 50, 60 miles or something before you need to recharge it. These things are super speedy, surprisingly fast, and just like I said, very capable. Like you can charge them, hook them up to go, and you are off to the races, literally and figuratively. I think they're great from a hunting perspective if you want to hunt or go cross country because you can climb up mountains, you can go down cliffs. They've got those fat tire, really knobby grip tires that you can go over all kinds of rough terrain. But they are super, super cool. So that is going to be the giveaway for the month of September, ladies and gents. The Quiet Cat brand Apex Sport e-bike. I'll put some details, some specs, some features in the actual page for this giveaway so you can read on any of the details that you would like. But these things are very capable, very impressive, and I'm super excited to be offering this as the giveaway for the month of September. For anybody that does not know how these giveaways work, every $10 you spend at KetoBrick.com gets you an entry ticket. We're going to be randomly drawing the winner in the first week of the following month. So October, we'll be picking the winner. I'll reach out and contact that winner, tell them that, hey, look, you just won a free e-bike, which I think is valued at like $3,500, $4,000, something like that. And we're just going to ship you this free bike. This is not some kind of crazy, weird, bait and switch. We've done this multiple times now. You buy bricks, you increase your likelihood of getting a bike, and I contact the random winner, and we ship you a free bike on the house. So pretty simple and straightforward. That's the giveaway for the month of September. KetoBrick.com. Every brick you buy enters or increases your odds of winning the bike, and I am super excited about this. Kind of jealous because I wish I'd be the one buying the bike, so whoever wins, I'm going to be hitting you up, asking you what you think about it, because if you like it, I'm going to be getting one for myself because these things are awesome, and we are coming up on hunting season. So whether you are a hunter or not, you can find a use case scenario for this bike. If you just simply like going out with your family and friends, you can tow things with it. Like I've seen people tow those little, kid-friendly, trailer things where you got your trailers, your kids in the back of the trailer for the bike, and you're just hauling them around town. So all kinds of use case scenarios, no matter what your lifestyle consists of. I think this is going to be a great, awesome giveaway for the month of September. So check it out, KetoBrick.com. Snag some bricks, get yourself a bike, and rock and roll and stay savage. See you on the inside.